Hi! In this video, let's explore the toDateTimeString function to convert Unix time to universally accepted datetime formats in Zoho Creator. Unix time is a method of representing timestamps as the number of seconds since January 1, 1970 at 0000 hours UTC. Furthermore, the toDateTimeString function enables the conversion of Unix time to various time zones, a crucial functionality for applications used globally or by individuals in diverse locations. Now, let's dive right into a demonstration to better understand how it works. This report contains website data where real-time user activity is logged to analyze behavior, track conversions, and optimize user experience. The report presents date and time information in Unix format to ensure precise time tracking for each user action. Assume you want the date and time in the report to display values in the Pacific time zone. To do that, begin by adding a single line field to populate the converted date and time. Access the editor, open Form Builder, and add a single line field from the Basic Field section. Next, let's create a function to convert Unix time to the desired format and populate it in the single line field. To do that, access the Workflow section. Click on the Functions tab and create a new function. Give a name for the function. Select the language as Deluge. Select your desired namespace. Select the return type as void and create the function. Now, we'll define our script. The logic is to retrieve all records from the website data report, fetch the value of Unix number field, convert it to the desired datetime format, and populate it within the newly added field. This process should be iterated for all the records in the report. To do that, let's first fetch all records from the website data report. Declare a variable, all records equals, choose the report, ID not equal to 0. This code fetches all non-zero records from the report and stores them in the variable all records, which means all the records will be fetched and stored in the variable. Next, let's use a for each loop to iterate through each record in the report. Type for each, declare a variable, row in all records. This loop iterates over each record in the report by temporarily storing the respective record's value in the variable row. Next, we need to fetch the Unix number field from each record. To do that, declare another variable, row.unixTime. This retrieves the Unix time value and stores it in the variable time data. The final step is to define a script to convert the Unix time to the desired date and time format. Type row.realtime equals toDateTimeString time data open quotes MMMDDYY at HHMMSSZE close quotes open quote PST8PDT close quote. Here, we populate the real-time field with the converted date and time format for each record. MMM denotes the month in 3 letters, DD denotes the day of the month, and YY denotes the last 2 digits of the year. The display format can be customized as per your preference from the literals displayed on the screen. Similarly, you can customize the display of hours, minutes, and seconds as per your requirements. Lastly, we have specified the time zone. PST8PDT encompasses both standard and daylight saving time within the Pacific time zone. Save the code and execute it. Upon successful execution, let's verify if our records have been updated with the specified datetime format in the timestamp field. As you see, all records have been updated with the specific date and time values on the newly added field alongside the Unix time values. This is just one way you can use the dateTimeString function. You can employ this function for various app requirements to convert Unix time data, ensuring precise tracking and analysis of real-time user actions. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.